I am super excited for today's video because I will be unboxing my first bags from Telfar. If you're interested, then just keep watching. Hi, my name is Aisha from simplyaisha.com. Here on YouTube, I make videos about fragrance, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle. If those are things you're interested in, please consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am very excited because I have an unboxing from Telfar. Now Telfar, I believe, reached some popularity with probably about 2 years ago. However, I have to say I've never really been interested in them. And that's kind of hard for me to say because they are a Black owned brand, but the bags just never spoke to me until now. So recently Telfar came out with a collaboration with Melissa, which they are a company known for their jelly products. So like jelly shoes, jelly handbags, and that type of stuff. So Telfar collaborated with them and it caught my attention. So let's open it up. I hope they look good, y'all. So here is the box. I was not planning on filming today, so I'm not as dressed up as I usually am, but hey, we're here for the bags, okay? Anyway, I actually picked up 2 bags because I was not sure which one I wanted, which size I wanted, which color I wanted, and I kind of wanted 2. And I feel like with Telfar, they sell out really fast. So I didn't want to like wait and pick the wrong one. And I figure if one doesn't work out for me, I think I can return it because I bought it from Selfridges, but if not, then I'm sure I'll be able to sell it. So here is the first bag, and here is what the dust bag says. It's Melissa, and then Telfar the other way. So this first one is a clear one in the size of medium. And it's kind of hard to take out of the dust bag because it's jelly material. But here is what it looks like. Let me pull the handles out. And I have to say, I've never really liked the straps on Telfar bags like these. However, on the jelly version, on the larger bags, I don't mind them because I like to be able to carry my bag on my shoulder if I need to. And because these are large bags, you can easily just tuck the straps in. So let me show you real quick. So this is what it looks like with the straps tucked in. Of course, if I was carrying stuff, you would see my stuff in there with it. But you can also leave the straps hanging out. I will say this bag does have somewhat of a smell, but I think that's just the material, y'all. It doesn't smell bad, but it smells like there's a smell. Okay, so I got the straps all unraveled, and this is the medium size. So it is very cute. I think what drew me to this bag is, number one, it's clear, which I feel like is just a fun thing. For me in particular, I'm thinking that this medium size I will use to carry my laptop sometimes, or if I want to carry a bigger purse, or if I'm going to the beach or to the pool or something like that. I feel like that's what this will be used for. I also like the fact that this kind of has these feet on it. I'm not sure if the regular Telfar bags have that, but I like that it's pretty structured for a plastic or polyurethane bag. I'm not sure what this is made out of, but I do really like it. So yeah, that's bag number 1. And here is bag number 2. As you can see, this one is larger. So this one I got in the black color. And I was honestly thinking about buying this one for travel because I feel like this will work really good as a bag on a plane if I don't want to take like my Neverfull, because I can easily wipe this off. It's a nice big tote that I can fit laptop, I can fit, you know, anything I need in there. iPads, my personal stuff, like what I would normally carry in a purse. I can fit another bag inside of it. So I figured this would be a great bag for travel. And that's probably what I'm going to use it for. I don't know that I will carry this around on a day-to-day basis, but since it's in black, I felt like that gives me that option because it doesn't really look plasticky. It kind of looks like patent leather, and I like that you can kind of see through it, but you kind of can't. I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but you can kind of see through it and you kind of can't. Now, they also came out with a pink color, which was really cute, but I felt like I really didn't want that. I didn't want a pink bag of this type. But it was really cute. And I think they also have a brown color for the fall coming out. But overall, so far I am pleased. So let me show them to you side by side. All right, so this is the medium and this is the large. And I really wanted to unbox this with you all because number one, I had a hard time finding videos that kind of compared the two sizes, especially since I'm not a previous Telfar owner. And I was very excited just to try out Telfar for the first time. So yeah, I'm liking these so far. Right here, I'll go ahead and insert some mod shots for you all. And then we'll briefly get into some things that can fit inside each one of these bags. So we're gonna start out with a medium bag. So I'm gonna start out with my MacBook Air. This is the smaller, I think it's the 13-inch, and I have my external hard drive, which is pretty chunky, connected to it. So let's see if that fits. And it does fit, but I would have to disconnect my hard drive, which I don't wanna do. I don't feel like ejecting it, but it does fit inside of there. Now, I probably would not use this to carry my laptop, but I just wanted to show y'all if it fit or not. More likely, I would put an iPad in this bag, and this is not my iPad. It's actually a broken one that we need to throw away or get rid of somehow. But I think my iPad is around the same size as this. It's a regular size, like iPad Air, if I remember correctly. And of course, that fits in here. Also have this standard size notebook. That should fit in here as well. I have this Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch 19. I'm gonna put that in here because if I were to carry a tote like this, I usually will carry some sort of smaller pouch on the inside to put my personal items in. So that fits in there nicely. I don't carry a ton in my purse, but I do always have my keys and my wallet. So we'll put those in there. And for me, that's pretty much all I would need, but you can see that fits in there perfectly. Now, just for reference, I'm gonna try out one more thing. So this is my Louis Vuitton desk agenda. Mine is pretty chunky. This is a little bit smaller than an 8x11 size paper. So let's see. Yeah, that fits in there well as well. Now, of course, it is getting a little bit heavy because I have all this stuff in here, but this is gonna fit like any of your day-to-day essentials plus more. Next, we have the large. And first up, I'm gonna try my laptop again. So my laptop fits in there with no problem, even with the external drive still connected. And mine sticks out a lot with the external drive, just to let y'all know. So that definitely fits. So of course, I think I'll be able to fit in everything I fit into the medium size in addition to my laptop. So let's see. All right, so here's an iPad. Notebook. Agenda. I'm not sure where I would be going carrying all this stuff, y'all, but we're just trying it out. I have my pouch. And then I have my card holder and keys. And you can see everything fits. I did have to turn my pouch to the side. And I think that if I disconnected this external hard drive, it would really make my stuff fit in there better, but I ain't doing all that, okay? But this is what it looks like. And just so you guys can see, you can't really see my accessories through it. Like, I do have this brightly colored pouch in here, and you can kind of see the color of it, but you can't see everything. So if you're looking for privacy, but you still want to get one of these jelly bags, I would suggest the black or even the brown, because the brown looks like it's pretty heavily tinted as well. So I hope you all found this video helpful. Let me know what you think of the two bags. Do you think I should keep both of them? Are any of them on your wish list? Do you have these? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Most of my videos are about fragrance, but I do throw in some luxury and some lifestyle content. So definitely check out my videos and subscribe. Also check out my website. It's www.simplyaisha.com. Over there I talk about all the things I love, so come check me out, get on my email list. And if you want to connect with me more and you want to see these bags in action, definitely follow me over on Instagram. I'm typically in my stories almost every day, and I love to chat with y'all in my DMs. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.